No, I'm looking at the review.
Wait.
Whoa, now it's recording.
Yeah.
I thought it was recording at first.
Yeah, I know me too, but we're like...
She just wants to get some hot, show him what she's got.
Oh, yeah. And my Spider-Man shirt, you know?
She knows the words. She wants to play with Mr. Sword.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Sword. Captain Jack Sparrow. Because it's 11:45 night now. We just started doing it.
It's what? She's having a blast.
Poker face. Poker face. I'll probably put this on Facebook.
Probably. Oh yeah? This is the fun we have on Saturday night.
You know 15 minutes ago. Tomorrow never comes.
Are you excited for tomorrow?
With Mr. Sword.
That was gross. Do you even know who Mr. Sword belongs to?
Yeah, Captain Jack Sparrow.
I don't think so. You know who it belongs to.
Guess what? I
What?
have Chinese dolls. Want to see them? Want to see them?
They're so shiny.
And they jingle. Sorry, I'm in like a really heavy mood and I probably look like crap, but yeah, you know, it's funny, so.
Well, that's just on Saturday night. Oh.
Never mind.
Perfect example.
Want to see my feet?
We'd love to see your awesome
I
feet.
know. Wait, I have an awesome ending for the song. It goes... Okay. Go away!
Okay. Kudos.
Wait.